Okay, this alley is called Patio do Banco. That's the alley we're going to explore. That's the name again. Some of the shrines that we're going to check out. And it's kind of off this Travessa dos Anjos. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back to show you more detail. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Here we are at Patio do Banco. Give you a little context. Got a beautiful shrine right here. And we got some on that side too. Huh. That's interesting. So it's actually in that side that they there's another one over here too. Okay. So let's just kind of show you the context of this a little bit. So this is called Travessa dos Anjos. Travessa dos Anjos is kind of a nice pedestrian street, beautiful architecture, just kind of sidewalks, things like that. And it kind of goes all the way down that way, and then it goes over that way a little bit. And we're going to focus on this one as soon as I can get around. Here we go. And then our focus is going to be this alley right here. So we're going to go down that alley. And so this is all Travessa dos Anjos. This is our alley. I just kind of tempted, I could give you the context there, but let's just go down the alley. Patio do Banco. So let me see. There's let's kind of follow this down. So over here there's restaurants. So you can see they put some restaurant things up here. Quite common that the restaurants will use the alleys. When we come into here, you see, got a Santa Claus right there. I'm not sure. This is kind of cool. Goes up in apartments. There's all this kind of cool stuff everywhere. Some rooftop apartments up there. And I don't know if this is into private property or not. I'm not 100% sure. It's not a clear sign. And those are some kitchens like that. And then you can also sit and stuff like that too. So we're gonna keep going around, and we're gonna go to the left a little bit. And let's see. Little shrine. So this is the end of the street. There's somebody's apartment right there too. Let's kind of venture back out again. You got Reiki. So this one they do Reiki. So do some spiritual work. So we're gonna keep going down the alley, come back out, and then we'll give you some context of exactly where we are again. So that was the other little street that we were on. And now we're back here at Banco, Patio do Banco. Back to the shrine again. Then we're gonna come back out and give you some context. So this is the main street up there, so and this is our alley as well. So let's just kind of head out towards our main street a little bit. And let's just see. So there's other bancos as well, and we're gonna head all the way out to the main street like this. And then this one. So Travessa dos Anjos is the main one right here, which is that right there, Travessa dos Anjos. And that's our street. So we basically just explored down that street and went down one of those little alleys. And before we do anything else, you can just see the context. So this is a big main street with all the buses come down as well. And then if you saw some of my other videos, I also went down some of these other alleys like that one. And this is Zhuhai Campo, I believe. And yeah, big bus stop here too. Just for some context, we're on Lisboa casinos right there. Lisboa casinos there. Over there is MGM, all in the Macau side. Okay, so we're gonna head back into Travessa dos Anjos, right there, and we're going to just kind of highlight that one street again, and then we'll end this video. So kind of get a view of some of these alleys and just how they all fit in together as well. And this is this alley right here, so let's just capture this one again. So that's our alley right there. That's our focus. And that's the shrine right there. So, okay. Patio de Banco. We'll end it like right there.